Today, we will explore the list of frequently used restaurant phrases Part 2. During the meal, could we get some more bread? Example, could we get some more water, please? Everything is great, thank you. Excuse me, but there seems to be a mistake with my order. Example, excuse me, but there seems to be a mistake with my order. I ordered the chicken, but I received the fish. Requesting the check, can we have the check, please? Could you split the bill between 2 cards? Is service included in the bill? Paying the bill, I will pay with credit card. Can I have a receipt, please? Complimenting or complaining, the food was excellent, thank you. I'm not satisfied with grilled chicken. I'm not satisfied with the temperature of my food. It's cold. General conversation, do you have any daily specials? Example, do you have any daily specials today? What's the soup of the day? Example, what's the soup of the day? Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.